Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain you the types of budget and budget deficit. Let's learn about the types of budget. Types of budget are of three types. Balanced budget, where government expenditures and government receipts are equal. Surplus budget, where government receives good amount but expenditure is less. Deficit budget, when government's expenditure is more and receipts are less. We'll study these three one by one today. Balanced budget, when estimated government receipts is equal to estimated government expenditure. When government is making the budget, the government is estimating the total receipts and total expenditures. When both are equal, then it is called the balanced budget. Let us study some of the merits and demerits of the balanced budget. When there is balanced budget, it ensures financial stability. The government doesn't have to depend on the borrowings, or government doesn't have to do the disinvestment. This is the benefit, and government also avoids wasteful expenditure. But there are the demerits. There should not be the balanced budget. There should be, when we talk about the developing country, there should be more expenditure in the economy, more money supply in the economy to accelerate the growth of the economy. But if there is less expenditure, then there is less growth also. Apart from this, not helpful at the time of deflation. When there is deflation, that means money supply is less in the economy. Government has to do something to increase the expenditure and reduce their receipts so that the money supply remains in the economy, right, to increase the demand of the people. So at the time of deflation, balanced budget is not at all advisory. Here injections is equal to leakages. Now when it comes to surplus budget is when the estimated government receipts is greater than estimated government expenditure. Receipts is greater than expenditure. Government is receiving more amount. Government is earning more, but government is spending less in the economy. This situation is good when there is inflation in the economy. When there is inflation, that means money supply is more, then it is good to get the surplus budget, that government should spend less. So it is used to correct the inflationary gap and avoid wasteful expenditure. Government is doing less expenditure. But there is the demerits. When the money supply is less than the economy, government is receiving more amount from the economy and government is giving less amount. That means government is injecting less in the economy, but leakage is there, are taking out the money of the economy. Then there will be less money supply and there will be low aggregate demand. And it is also not helpful at the time of deflation. It is helpful at the time of inflation. And when we talk about deficit budget is when the government receipts are less than the government expenditure. There are so many merits and demerits of it. It accelerates economic growth. It promotes welfare programs. Merits are, it accelerates economic growth means when government is doing the more expenditure in the economy, definitely economic growth will be there because money supply will increase and government will spend more in the welfare programs. Demerits of this is, it promotes wasteful expenditure because sometimes government do the more expenditure that is wasteful even, and there is financial and political instability because there is injection is more and leakage is less. So financial and political instability is there. So I hope this topic is clear to you. In my next video I'll be explaining you the method, the types of budget, types in the sense how to measure the budget, like primary budget, fiscal deficit, primary deficit and revenue deficit. So we'll study about the types of deficit budget, right? In my next video I'll be continuing with that. Till then, you go through this. If you have any problem, you can ask me anytime. Thank you. God bless you all.